Let's dive into the fascinating world of ships and explore their main parts. Understanding ship anatomy is essential for anyone interested in maritime adventures or simply curious about how these incredible vessels operate. First up, we have the hull. This is the main body of the ship, designed to keep it afloat and protect everything inside. The shape of the hull affects how the ship moves through water. A streamlined hull minimizes resistance, allowing for smoother sailing and better fuel efficiency. Next, let's talk about the bow and stern. The bow is the front part of the ship, often pointed to cut through waves efficiently. It's where you'll find the ship's name proudly displayed. On the other hand, the stern is the back end, where you'll find the steering mechanisms and often the entrance to the crew quarters. Understanding these two parts helps in grasping how a ship navigates through water. Now, let's move on to the keel. Think of the keel as the backbone of the ship. It runs along the bottom and provides stability, preventing the vessel from tipping over. A well-designed keel is crucial for maintaining balance, especially in rough seas. Next, we have the navigation bridge. This is the command center of the ship, where the captain and crew monitor everything from navigation to communication. Equipped with advanced technology, the bridge allows for precise maneuvering and ensures the ship stays on course. Now, let's discuss the rudder and propeller. The rudder is located at the stern and is essential for steering. When the captain turns the wheel, the rudder shifts position, directing the ship left or right. The propeller, on the other hand, is what propels the ship forward. It works by pushing water backward, creating thrust that moves the vessel ahead. Together, these components allow for smooth and controlled navigation. Finally, we can't forget about the anchor. This heavy device is crucial for keeping the ship stationary when it's not moving. When dropped to the seabed, the anchor grips the ocean floor, preventing the ship from drifting away with the currents or winds. It's a simple yet effective tool that has been used for centuries. Understanding these parts of a ship not only enhances your appreciation for maritime engineering, but also enriches your experience on the water. Whether you're sailing for leisure or learning about naval operations, knowing the anatomy of a ship is key to navigating the seas confidently.